Hey, hello, Raj. How are you doing?
Yeah, I checked. So,
Mm-hmm. Okay. I'll just ask everyone to join.
okay.
Hmm. Hello, Lincoln.
Hi everyone.
Okay, so today, like, I got some good stuff for you guys. So this is like some high ticket stuff that I'll tell you now. So one of them is AI cold caller. So like AI will automatically call my number on the phone. So that's something that we'll be doing. Additionally, I'll also tell you how to check availability in the calendar to book appointments. That way, if AI has to like book appointment, it will first check for the date and time and then book the appointment. That's it is pretty good that way. And yeah, I mean, I'll just start. I'll just ask if Yash is joining. Okay, I'll just start. Just a second. Okay, so I'll present my screen. Everyone, mute the mics. Okay, so I'll just share my screen now. So today, okay, just this. So these are the two scenarios. This one is for AI cold calling, and this one is to check availability in a calendar. So, for example, this is my calendar. So in this, if I had to check availability, we could check it from via this module, and for like this AI cold caller template, we could use this one to cold call people. So first, I'll show you how to set this one up, AI cold caller, because it's the easier one. So for that, we would need a spreadsheet, and it should have a it should have a certain format. So the one that I'm using right here, it has a format of report, lead list, transcript, and phone numbers. So I'll just explain to you what it is. First, I'll just clean the whole spreadsheet because it was for one of my clients. I did this one form. So you can run cold calling campaigns on the behalf, and then via that you can pre-qualify the caller. So like if you just call the person, you could just pre-qualify if the person is eligible for the service and stuff like that. That way, I think I'll just. So I think it's just 2,500 records, 2,500 records. Just remove them all. Okay, that's not the sheet size. Okay, how much do we have in the sheet? Sheet size is okay, it's 1900. So we'll do Z 1900. We'll just delete it all. Yeah. Okay, we just deleted all the data in here. So there's nothing as you could see inside this. And it's a clean spreadsheet. Okay, so yeah, this is how this works. We have phone numbers, but it's also clean. So what I'll do is I'll just restore this one. I think it was active and inactive. Okay, so I want this to never mind. I'll just remove it. You have the lead list, so I'll just remove everything besides my own number. So what I'll do is I'll just remove. I think there were almost 1,000 there, so it's like 1,500, 2,000. Just try. There are almost 2,000 numbers already. Let me see how many there actually are. Okay, great. So we just vanished 2,000 numbers from here. I'll just remove the phone number ID as well. And yeah, status. Okay, so this is what we have. This is the report that we have. So let me just tell you how this works. So this campaign, it has a spreadsheet. The spreadsheet has 4 sheets. The report is like it just tells us how many leads were called, how many leads are left to call, how many of them we had a transcript for, and stuff like that. And we have the lead list here. So this lead list has all the numbers that we are supposed to call. It could be your number, it could be like your client's given phone number, something like that. So this is what we have here. Then we have transcript. So transcript is like it has the lead. Let's see, lead phone number ID, end of the reasons why the call ended, recording URL, timestamp, and summary, and we have the phone number here. So I'll be providing you this agent, this spreadsheet to test it out. I'll say test one. This is the spreadsheet name. Okay. So now what we'll do is we'll go to this make scenario. Now here, I don't think that you do not have to understand this make scenario because it's pretty complex. But I'll just show you how this works in a nutshell. So we have a Google Sheets module. If I create a connection, which account is it? It's share such business. So if I create a connection, I think I'll just simultaneously create a few connections here. I'll add my OpenAI key. What was my OpenAI API key? Platforms. Okay, accept your profile API key. I'll just generate one quickly, and then I've copied the key. Now I'll just paste it here. Okay, I'll just paste it here. Save. Okay. Now we got the OpenAI connection ready. I think I had this one. So it's share such business. I'll authorize make.com to use my account. So I just like made a fresh new account because I didn't want any problems in that. I just did this. So now it's ready. So this is what we have. So first of all, I'll just show you how to make calls with this. So this is what we have. This is the Google Sheets module. Now we'll click on it's test one. So we'll just click on spreadsheet ID as test one, and then the sheet name would be, let me see, the sheet name, text operator. Okay, so the sheet name would be leads. So we have the lead list here. So remember, it should be lead list, and then filter. Filter would be status is equal to not called. Okay, and then we have a limit of 10, so that's not a problem. That's not an issue. So this is the Google Sheets module. It would get any available phone numbers which have not been called. So if I were to, as you could see in my lead list, this phone number or my phone number is set to call. So if I just go there and change it to not called, and the country, I could just select it to India just because we're in India. So I'll just set it to India. So now the phone number would, so the Excel sheet, the Google Sheets module would pick up this row and then feed it to the AI module. So let's see. You just feed it to the array aggregator. So we are not doing one by one. We are going to 100, 1,000 leads at once, and then we're going to call them all at once. For that reasons, it will push it all to array aggregator. So aggregator is like so for all the different values, it's going to put them in a single string. This is what we are going to get here. So till here, it's all about compiling the data. All the data that came to us, we just put in a single string, and this is what the array aggregator does. Now we have to add an assistant ID here. So let's just create a new assistant. I think I have no assistant here. So okay, French one. Hmm, Epoxy Pro Solutions. So these are just the sample assistants I've created. I'll just find one of these. If I create a new assistant, I think that won't work. I'll just use one of these. So let's just use the dental clinic example. So this is a dental clinic agent. So what we'll do for this one is hi Emma. We'll copy the assistant ID. So at your case, you would have made an assistant. All you have to do is copy the assistant ID, paste it paste it here in the variable value as assistant ID, and then for the WAPI API key, what you need to do is you need to go to WAPI, go to API keys, go to private. So we are gonna need the private API key. You just copy this, and then you could just paste it here. and then we got the WAPI API key and assistant ID. Now we are going to need a phone number to make this call from. So what we'll do is we'll head over to Twilio, because Twilio has free phone numbers that we could use to make a call. So if I go to Twilio, communication APIs for SMS. Now we'll buy a trial phone number here. Start for free. First name. Okay, we need to fill in a few information. So Raj. Email address would be Shadasoni2. Password would be verify with a human. Whatever. Continue. You know what? I'll just log in with. I'll just log in. My phone number. So you need to create a Twilio account in order to get a phone number to use. So if I use yes Raj business @gmail.com. I don't know if this email is okay. It is. It is there. It's great. Okay. So I think I'll get a text code on my phone. 111 remember the browser for 30 days. Then you click on continue. So now, if you were to start this fresh, you'll get an option to get a dial phone number. It would be American phone number, so you could just get that. Let's show you. So, I think it's taking its time. Okay, welcome back. I'll just click on this one. My first Twilio account. Now, what I have here is a trial $15 50 cents credit. So what I'll do is now I'll just go to phone numbers. So I have a single phone number that I could use. So active numbers we have. Okay, you don't have any active number. Okay, buy Twilio number. I think I could get a few Twilio number if I do it correctly. Monthly fee. See. Okay, buy. Okay, great. So I've spent a few bucks. Okay, great. Buy a number. Okay, so we have active numbers. I'll just go to active numbers now. I think I have this number. So what I'll do is I'll just copy this number. Copy this. I go back to API. There's an option called phone numbers. So if I import a number, we select Twilio because the number is from Twilio. And then what we'll do is we'll go to manage. I think there should be a profile. So if I go to Twilio home, oh wait, no, I think I should have gone to account dashboard. So we're running on a trial right now, and yep, account dashboard. So we're gonna have account SID and account auth token. So we're gonna need both of those. I'll show you. So we have account SID. I'll just copy this, paste it back in MAPI. We have account auth token. We just copy this, paste it here. The label could be test, so it's a test number, so I'll just name it the same, and we just import this number from Twilio. So what we'll do is we'll just copy the phone number ID here, and then paste it in the list of phone numbers. So it's gonna be the phone number ID. We'll just paste it here and type out status as active. And then we'll copy the same. We'll just paste the same phone number besides the phone number ID. So this is what we got here. So now it's all ready to set up and run. And I'll just do a final changes here. So I think there's a dynamic variable value. Okay, that's not a problem. Okay, we have HTTP request. So just click on OK. Account. I think I'm missing something here. I might need to check. I go back. If that changes. Active scenarios. I think I need to sign out. So I think the scenario it has a few errors because I could not find my find a few modules there. It seemed wrong. We just check if it's the right one that I had. Future two styles. Uh-huh. Okay, make is taking a lot of time here. Okay, so we have scenarios. I think I have a calling scenario in this, if I'm not wrong. Cold emails, integrations, webhook. Okay, I don't have a calling scenario in this one. Okay, that's weird. I'll just find it out from another account. Let's see which one I have. I'll just use just use this one. Let me see. Okay, wait. So that's a fresh account. I'll go back to my account here. Access denied. Okay. Sign in Google. Leave my organization. Okay. So we got AI cold call attempt. Let's check the scenarios here. Callbacks, callbacks, callbacks. Okay. Rapi Google Calendar appointment booking. Can't find it here. Blueprint, check availability. E-commerce, UK marketing. Blueprint 47. Let's go back. We got a few here. Lead chunk. State Upwork, RSS, Icebreaker. So we got a blueprints here. I'll see if these are the ones that I'm looking for. Get a new scenario. Import blueprint. Choose file. Connect.com calling JSON. And availability. Blueprint. I should pick this one. Check. No, not this one. Of save. Not this one either. Check availability. Check this one. Not this. Is it this one? No. Check availability fixed. Blueprint. Check availability. Nope. Okay, so cannot find the blueprint that I'm looking for here. I'll just import the other one then. Cold caller latest. Check availability. Because we have a problem here. I think there should be a few more modules in between, but I changed that for some particular reason. So wait. Check availability. Okay, so we'll just move ahead with the check availability one here. Welcome, Yash. So, anyways, I'll find the cold calling one from my computer. I'm on a laptop, and then I'll show you guys that. But okay, let's just use check availability here for the same. So, just make a new webhook. So we'll move ahead with the check availability function first, and then I'll just find the blueprint, the right blueprint. And I'll show you how to make calls. So just copy this, copy that clipboard. So let me just tell you how check availability function works. For the assistant here, you guys could create a dental assistant because it's best suited for dental practices and hospitals and stuff like that, because you know the single person cannot handle too many calls. Like if I have like 10-15 calls at the same time, it won't be able to handle those. So for that reasons, I think it's better for dental practices. It's more suited for that. So what we'll do is we'll create a function called check availability. So if you go to tools, we do have a function right here, but we'll create a new one, and we have some properties here and name. Okay, anyways, so we get a new tool here. Oh, I'll just delete these tools just because I think I'm going to have a hard time figuring out which one was which. Never mind. So we'll make first we need to add a make URL here. We'll use the webhook URL, place it here as a server URL, and we have the save option. Once we save it, we have the property name. So we need two properties. First of them is the name of the person who wants to book the appointment. We'll just find the name. We'll add a underscore before the name just because it tells us that it's a user inputted property. It's a great thing, like it's a coding, I say, protocol. So you should use underscore when it's a user inputted property, and if it's not a user input property, then you could just add something else. But in this case, it would be user input property. So I'll describe it as name of the patient who wants to book a call. I'll just save this. Then I'll go to required. Let's add another property which would be date and time. So it would be underscore date and time because it's a user input property. And then we'll say the desired date and time for the appointment by the patient. So if I save this, now what I'll do is I'll go to next and give this tool a name. So the name of the tool would be, oh wait, did I discard it? Shit. Okay, never mind. Just do this quickly. Next, name of user, save property, and time, desired date and time for appointment. Just zoom this in, right? So appointment. Save. Next. Then we'll name this tool. So the tool could be named as test check availability, and then it would we could just describe the tool. So the tool would be to check for busy slots and then assign available slots in its position. So you could say check for busy slots in the calendar and then against the user provided date and time, and then answer and suggest alternative times if required, else if slot is available, let the appointment be booked. Click on create. So you should have a test check availability function or tools. So now, as you could see, check for busy slots and stuff like that. So let's use the provide time slots. So here we could be as descriptive as required, because in the end, I mean, AI should understand what when to use this tool. So if we go to assistants, I created this gentle assistant here. And now, as you could see, if I just give you a quick rundown of the prompt, it's hi, this is Emma from Wilderman Dental. How may I help you? Is the first prompt, and then we have the function you should use to check availability is check underscore check availability. We'll just change it to the tool name that we have just made. Click this against. Okay, I think I'll just reduce the prompt because then it might cause hallucinations and problems if we give it multiple options. So if I go to dental clinic. Now we'll just change the function name wherever we have, like, if you could just name the function as check avail or avail, whatever you guys want to name it, just ensure to change the same inside the prompt. So the function that we use to check availability is this check availability. Your Wilderman assistant. So it's just a random prompt about a dental assistant or a dental clinic. So like cool. What's the reason for the visit? Cleaning, stuff like that. Request. It would confirm the appointment, stuff like that. And okay, I just have to find the variable of function. I have to change it with mine. So okay. So I'll just change it here again. Place it here. So now AI would use the following function if he wants to check the availabilities. I'll just publish this. It should be GPT-4 mini cluster. I'll publish this again. Now the transcriber. I've described you guys what transcriber is, what a voice is, and what the function is. But I'll just change the function here. So it would be test check availability instead of check availability, because we are using this one right now to test. It has a webhook URL of this whole long make scenario. So yeah, we got that. We publish this. There's nothing to change in advance, stuff like that. Analysis, it's all good. So what we'll do here is we got the webhook URL. It would gather data. So I'll just isolate this and give it a test run. I could just isolate this one, just copy address to clipboard. I'll just send it to my phone, because then if I show it on here, no one could hear it. So I'll just see copy address. I'll just do the connections, connect automatically. Wait, okay, it's great. It's already connected. So, let's just do it quickly. We got share such business calendar. So I'll just use my. It does not have the account, so I'll just add my account again. I mean, if you like buy the Make.com Pro subscription, in that you have a lot of operations, so you could use that. But what I prefer is I just spend 10 more seconds, 10 more minutes, and just make a new account. That's just far more efficient, and it's cheaper. It's far more cheaper than actually buying the subscription. I'd rather not buy that. So yeah, this is what we got. We got tools and stuff like that. Okay. Now what I'll do is I'll just where's my number? Yes. I'll just send myself this assistant demo to my phone. Paste it here. And then if I have a chat, I have to ensure that the webhook is receiving data. So I'll just unlink this for a while. Unlink. Okay, great. Now if I have a chat with the AI agent right now, it should answer.
Hi, this is Emma from Bilderman Dental. How may I help you?
Oh yeah, Emma. So I'd like to book a dental cleaning for tomorrow at 11 a.m. My name is Raj, and yeah, just book a dental cleaning for me tomorrow, 11 a.m.
Hey Raj, thanks for that info. Just to confirm, you want to book a dental cleaning for tomorrow at 11 a.m., right? Let me check if we have that slot available. One moment, please. I'm still checking.
Mm-hmm. So it appears that the webhook did not fire. So if I copy this again, copy the webhook URL,
Hi, this is
paste it to the tools section. So test check, add back to the tool section, paste it here, click on save. Let's date and time, date time. The user okay. It's all good till here. If I save this, go back, it should technically trigger this function whenever we ask it to book an appointment. So that's the issue. I publish this again. See. So to redetermine the data structure.
Hi, this is Emma from Bilderman Dental. How may I help you?
I'd like to book a dental cleaning for tomorrow at 11 a.m. My name is Raj.
Great to meet you, Raj. Just to confirm, you want to book a dental cleaning for tomorrow at 11 a.m., right? Let me check if we have availability for that time. One moment, please. I'm still checking.
Okay. Okay, that's weird because the webhook is not receiving data. So I just check for more webhooks. Just try this webhook. Copy address. Change the same here. Tools. Test availability. Am I doing something wrong? Let's see. It seems good. So PT5 check. But you know what? I'll just use this function just for the sake of it. So it's almost the same as check availability, check for dental, so provide slots. Name is name of the user, date and time of the dental booking appointment. And then if I go to integrations, I'll just add this webhook to respond to. If I click on save, just copy the name, go to assistant, dental P2, paste it here. Great. Wilderman dental, Wilderman dental. Paste it here. Publish functions underscore check availability. Great. Publish. If I go to advanced, I think I might be missing somewhere. Okay, so what is this webhook? I'll just remove this for now. Publish this. The protocol should be server URL must be valid URL. So I removed the URL, which is great. Now let's just try to have a chat with the agent again.
Hi, this is Emma from Bilderman Dental. How may I help you?
I'd like to book an appointment for dental cleaning tomorrow at 11 a.m. My name is Raj.
Hey, Raj. Just to double check, tomorrow is November 28th, right? Let me confirm that date with you before I check for availability. So, you want a dental cleaning on November 28th at 11 a.m.?
Yes.
Got it. One moment, please. I am still checking for availability for your dental cleaning on November 28th at 11 a.m.
So somehow the webhook it's not firing, which is a surprise. Just see if connecting the whole scenario works better.
Oh, I see.
Mhm. We have tool call ID. Sorry, we do not have available. We are not available on weekends. That's not a problem. I'll just choose an account connection. Open an account. Save this. Webhook is not receiving any response, which is weird. Okay, maximum number of active scenarios has been exceeded. Save changes. Discard changes. Okay. Active. Okay, I'll just deactivate few of these scenarios. Let's turn this off. Turn this off. Okay, so we have to go back now. Education books. Great. I think now it should work. Dental. Great. Run this now. JSON not found. Data structure. So now I have to create data structure. Okay, that's value. Type would be array. Type would be collection. Type would be name would be start time. Start it would be date. I'll add another one. Underscore end be date. I'll save. Okay. Add item. It would be start would be okay. Wait. So first I have to run this, which is this module only. I think there's technical difficulties here.
Hi, this is Emma from Bilderman Dental. How may I help you?
Yeah, ma'am, I'd like to book you. I'd like to book a dental cleaning for tomorrow, 11 a.m. My name is Raj. Can you just book it for me?
Hey Raj, thanks for reaching out. Just to confirm, you're looking to book a dental cleaning for tomorrow, November 28th at 11 a.m., right?
Exactly.
Let me check availability.
Okay.
Hold on a sec.
Thank God, it works. So we got a tool called ID, which is a function, but a whole set of things. So the name is Raj. The date time is 11 a.m. So okay, we passed the first one. I think there was nothing wrong here. I think it was just the other scenarios running. So if I just click here, connect these two, okay, and then I'll just okay. So it works cool till here. If I run this again, this was not found. So I did make a data structure, but I have to add stuff here. So what I'll do is I think I'll just unlink here, let it run once. So anyway, JSON not found. I think this JSON as well. No, this JSON is good. My data structure. Click on OK. If I run this now, then anyway. Okay.
Hi, this is Emma from Bilderman Dental. How may I help you?
I'd like to book a dental cleaning for 31st of 31st. Oh yeah, 30th of November, 11 a.m. for dental cleaning.
All right. I just need to confirm your full name before we check availability.
It's Raj.
What's your name?
Raj.
Thanks, Raj. So just to confirm, you'd like to book a dental cleaning on November 30th at 11 a.m. One moment, please. I am still checking for availability.
Are you checking still?
Yes, I'm still checking, Raj. Just a moment, please. My computer is running a bit slow today. Thanks for your patience.
So it's kind of weird because it's not taking webhook input, which is bad. What's wrong? Once done anyway. I'll just connect this whatever. I'll just add something as let's see, start total number of bundles, and it would be, I think I could be start time and end time. So start time is this, end time is this JSON. Okay. I think for the JSON module, I think I have to change it here. So on this one, iterator body calendar, it's Sony 11 business. Okay. Time zones plus 530. Oh wait, I'll just change it to Sony business. Okay. I think it should run perfectly fine. Okay, GPT module not found. Run once.
Hi, this is Emma from Bilderman Dental. How may I help you?
Yeah, hello Emma. Can you check for time slots tomorrow at 12 p.m. for dental cleaning?
Cool. I just realized I need your full name before we can check on that. What's your name?
It's Raj.
Awesome, Raj. So just to confirm, you're looking for a dental cleaning tomorrow, November 28th at 12:12 p.m., right? Just a moment while I check availability for you. Thanks for holding. My computer is running a bit slow today. One moment, please.
Did you check?
One moment. Thanks for holding, Raj. It looks like there's no availability for a cleaning tomorrow at 12:12 p.m. Do you want to try a different time or maybe another day? Let me know what works for you.
Okay, great. Sounds good. So 12 p.m. Okay, so I mean at the time is actually booked. So it's right there, but I have to check for the same. So
Ah,
we got request had insufficient authentication scope. Okay, it's weird. Body time min, time max. Okay, time min, time max. That's the variables. Okay, it is corrected here. Then we have ask JSON. JSON response. We got tools. Start time. Okay, format is GD. We didn't had enough scope, so it's a start time, end time. So we didn't had an end time here. So wait. Start time is this. End time is this. Let's see how this reacts. Testing is a pain, man. Testing is a pain.
hi, this is Emma from Bilderman Dental. How may I help you?
I'll book a dental cleaning appointment for tomorrow, 12 p.m. and my name is Raj.
Thanks, Raj. Just to confirm, you're looking for a dental cleaning appointment for tomorrow at 12 p.m., right?
Exactly.
Let me check the availability.
Did you check?
One moment, please. I'm still checking for availability for tomorrow at 12 p.m. for you. Just a sec.
Yeah, tomorrow 12 p.m. for dental cleaning.
Give me a moment. Thanks for holding, Raj. It looks like there's no availability for a dental cleaning tomorrow at 12 p.m. Would you like to try a different time? Or maybe look at another day?
Um, I might try a different time.
Sure thing. What time works for you tomorrow? I mean, we can look at morning or afternoon slots. Just let me know.
Okay, so can you check for 2 p.m. tomorrow? Hey, you there? Hello? Hello, you there? Okay. So I think it is working fine. I think it's showing throwing an authentication error here. I think we could fix that, but I think it's pretty cool till here. So okay. Any questions regarding check availability function? I think we'll just change this module. So it's a API request module. What we could do is we could add another module here. Add module. This could be a Google Calendar. Check get free busy information. So this would be a much better alternative than using uh, than using a API request, because API requests are just there's just a problem to work with. So if I go here, if I unlink this, take it out, take it in. Okay. So yeah, day of the week is Saturday, day of the week is Sunday. Okay. Anyways, so now we'll add start time, end time. Calendar ID would be my calendar. So it would be, wait, I don't want to map out the fields. Well, no, I mean, it should be shares of Sony business. Just see that if this is Sony business, continue. It didn't have a permission or what? I think that was the case all along. Continue, allow. Okay, great. So calendar ID, I think I should have my calendar here as well. Just search business. Okay. The body would be, you know what? I'll just unlink this. I'll just add this as a Google module. Wait. Link. Yeah, link these two. And I think I have authentication stuff like that. Now if I click on save, it comes on again. Try to book another appointment.
Hi, this is Emma from Bilderman Dental. How may I help you?
I'd like to book an appointment for tomorrow at 12 p.m. for dental cleaning. My name is Raj.
Great to meet you, Raj. Just to confirm, you'd like to book a dental cleaning for tomorrow at 12 p.m., right? Let me check the availability for that time. One moment, please. I am still checking.
Yeah, just do it quick.
Give me a moment. Thanks for holding, Raj. It looks like there's no availability for a cleaning at 12 p.m. tomorrow. How about we try a different time? Maybe 10 a.m. or 2 p.m. What works for you?
I mean, 10 a.m.
Yeah, take your time.
Yep. You know what? 10 a.m. does. 10 a.m. does.
Sorry. What were you saying?
Let's do it for 10 a.m. Hello, can you hear me? Hello. Hello.
Hey, I'm still here. Just checking in. Do you have another time in mind
I
for
said
your
10 a.m.
appointment?
I
Or
said
should I...
I said 10 a.m.
Sorry about that, Raj. Do you have a preferred time for your appointment?
I said 10 a.m.
Got it. So, you'd like to book a dental cleaning for tomorrow at 10 a.m.? Let me check the availability for that time. One moment, please. I'm still checking.
Are you checking?
Oh, okay. If you need any help or have any questions, just let me know. I'm here for you.
But I'll just run this all again. I just changed this. I just removed the API step and added this check availability step. I think that would be a better option. I think I need to change something here as well. Just see if that's the case, or maybe not. Maybe not. JSON string time slots are these. This okay. We got a JSON string. End time, start time, end time. Yeah. So, okay. It's time min, time max. Okay. So I think it should work again. I'll just run it again. All we need to do is to make this work so that it just like the whole thing runs quickly without any issue. We have the issue in the calendar model. We fix that
Hi,
one.
this is Emma from Bilderman Dental. How may I help you?
I'd like to book an appointment for dental cleaning tomorrow at 12 p.m.
Sure. I'll need your full name first to
Raj
get
Raj.
things started. I didn't catch that. Could you please repeat
It's
your full
Raj
name?
Raj. Hey, you there? Hello.
Oh, I'm here. Sorry about that. Could you please share your full name with me?
It's Raj Raj.
Thanks, Raj. So you're looking to book a dental cleaning for tomorrow at 12 p.m., right? Just to confirm, let me check if that time is available. One moment, please. I am
Okay.
still checking. Just a sec. Thanks for holding, Raj. So unfortunately, that 12 p.m. slot tomorrow isn't available. Would you like to try a different time? Maybe 10 a.m. or 2 p.m.?
10 a.m. sounds good. 10 a.m. Can we do for 10 a.m.?
All right. Just to confirm, you're looking to book a dental cleaning for tomorrow, November 28th at 10 a.m. Let me check availability for that time. One moment, please.
Did you check? I think I disconnected. So, yep. Anyways, as you could see, it successfully said that there's no time for 12 p.m. and it gave us alternative times at 10 a.m. and 2 p.m. Even though 2 p.m. is not there, you could define the prompt and do accordingly. But yeah, I mean, this is how the check availability scenario works. So we could use the same to deploy it on hotels, hotel websites, even at dental clinics, small clinics, doctor orthopedic hospitals. So it would be more good for medical industry because they're not there's only a single doctor and he has to look after all the patients. So like he has that schedule. For that reasons, I think if you could sell this in like if you sell this outside India, you could easily sell this for $1,000 a month. And in that, you just say that you guys have to pay the usage fee. Besides that, you will do everything, and that way I think you could just easily sell this for $1,000. I mean, that's like the minimum price for this. Because these people pay receptionists almost $10,000 per month to just write stuff and like book appointments, cancel appointments, check appointments. So this thing does it all quickly. So that's what I think would be you could easily price that too and sell this for. Any questions?
Yeah, like we'll do the practice in this and we'll let you know like how it could be because a lot of challenges we are going to face in this. So can you share
This
that
is I
screenshot?
will. This is matlab, as you saw, like it was not even happening for me. That's because it's a
Yeah, right,
long one,
right,
man.
right.
It's a complex scenario. Sometimes
Yeah, it's
the
great.
webhook.
Yeah, it's great. Like once we got a lot of issue, right? So like it will be easy for us for the next time, right?
Exact
Yeah,
100%.
that
I
is the
mean,
reason.
it's just like one time. Once you get through this, Once you make this one complete, you could like go through all the other ones. For this one, this worked perfectly fine, and
Okay, so
like
can you share this particular make.com scenario?
I will.
Yesterday, yeah, in yesterday's one also like a voice call scenario we have set up, right? So that way also. So
Okay, okay,
like
I'll send
this.
it all over to you. No
Okay,
problem.
okay.
I'll just add this like cause like I've like all these calls and stuff like that. So I often forget to like add these to the group. So I'll just do it right now. Where
Yeah,
is it?
do
Yeah,
it.
it's
Yeah. So yesterday's
check.
one and today's one also.
Mhm.
Just we'll go
Yep,
through it.
got it. So I'll just add it to okay AI masterminds. So I think wait, you guys might need to change this to like a get busy free request because wait, I'll just export the scenario because again I mean this scenario, this particular module in the previous one it gave me I think authentication error, but if it gives you the error, you have to change this simply to a Google Calendar module with a get free busy information. So that's what we could do it for. I'll
Okay.
just try to find the cold calling one because I think the one that I just uploaded it's the wrong one. I mean I just like I have a gut feeling that it won't work and it's just gonna waste us a lot of time. Instead I'll just like check wait if I could find it.
But cold
Like
down,
this.
like you are not able to find, right? So first I will go with the sessions and later you can send us.
Mm-hmm. I know. I mean, I just have it somewhere in the chats. It will just take a second. So, anyways, like, have you started outreaching LinkedIn? Matlab, like, have you started like putting out posts and stuff like that, or like clients, like trying to get clients and like that for AI? Because like Manoj and like he just messaged me. He said that he got his like, this first client. So even you could try that. I mean, what you have to do is you have to put a post in a school community or on LinkedIn, and then people would just come to you and say that I want this done and stuff like that. So we could that way. It's pretty good. You could just get
Okay, okay.
a first client in like 2 to 3 like 24 hours. So within a day you will get your first client. So it's pretty good if you look
Okay,
at
okay.
that.
So like now I'm compatible with the chatbot. Like today I have created for the astrology, right? And that is I'm
I
pretty
saw that
much,
one.
yeah,
It was great.
I'm pretty much confident on that. So now next move is like to integrate the voice flow and chatbot mix up, right? So
hmm
today quite busy, so not able to get into the
I'll
yesterday's meeting.
uh,
Yeah,
I'll
so
also I'll show you how
yeah,
to
go
add
ahead.
that to voice flow. Wait. So what we could do is we could add that to voice flow. Like for the voice flow, we could also have a call function so that the person could talk with the chatbot. So that's talk with the voice agent inside the chatbot. So it's pretty cool, being honest.
How it could be without WAPI, or we should integrate to the WAPI.
We'll we'll use the VAPI API key. I'll just show you. Wait.
Okay.
So
Yeah, just show me. So suppose my chatbot is ready right now. What will be the next step? Just show me that.
yeah, yeah. So if your chatbot is ready, in voice flow, what you could do is you could go over to this platform, Pixay agents.
For you, why
Mm,
URL is voice glow, and for me, like is it Texas something?
Actually, they just rebranded themselves. So first it was VoiceFlow, but then they
Okay,
just
okay.
changed the whole. I think yeah, this is the seven. Okay, it's the trial account. So, anyways, Proxy Probot. I'll just delete this agent. Wait. Okay, I'll just delete this agent. I mean, I don't think I need it. I have a European server, so you have two servers. You could just switch between them and use whichever ones like whichever ones you like, just in case if the North America server is full, could go back to yeah. Okay, so we have ITC Royal Bengal and test Keith car parking bot. I'll just delete this. So once you create a agent, you could do like okay, voice flow plus Tixay, name it something. I'd call it test. Create here, and then inside this there is an option of voice flow API key. So I'll just show you. So here you could just add the agent API key. So if I go to voice flow again, voice flow creator, So you just open the agent, and then inside the agent there's this API function. You just click on the API, and then you get the API token. You just copy that, and you could just post it in. Wait, I'll just show you. You could just post it in here. So your voiceflow API key would run, and then the whole chatbot would come inside this chat box. If you enable tabs, it's gonna look good. And then what you could do is in integrations, you could use the channels, and here we could set up WAPI. So I'll just show you a quick demo of how to set up WAPI. So we need to go to the credentials. Let's see. So if you go to credentials here, we have the WAPI API key setup, but I think it's a wrong one. So I'll just check. I'll just go to API keys again. So for the private API key, you just copy this private API key. In the invoice flow, you paste it here as a private API key. For public API key, you just copy this, copy the public API key, paste it in the public API key. Okay, all the changes are saved. Wait, I did. It is the same one. I'll just see. Oh, Control A. Okay, wait. So okay, it's the same one. So anyway, so now if I go to agents, and back to test agent, all I have to do now is to add the agent ID here, voice setup, a WAPI assistant ID. So it's for a doctor assistant. I think it's dental assistant here. Dental assistant V2. We just copy this assistant ID, paste the assistant ID here. Click on where's the save? Yeah, click on save. For design. Okay, so let's get started. So yeah, anyways, I'll just do a few changes here. You go to channels, you go to voice setup. What you could do is you could turn this on, enable WAPI on web, and eagerly show WAPI on load. So it could say talk with AI exclamation mark. Save this. Now what we'll do is we'll go to design. We'll yeah, as you could see talk with AI. So
Yeah.
you won't be able to hear anything here. If I copy the prototype, copy this prototype demo, send it to myself via WhatsApp. Okay, so I got it here. So inside, like by your phone, if I just open this, so the whole chatbot will open, and now it's simple. Like if I click on the calling button, wait, I didn't. Did I
Okay,
save it?
okay. So yeah, so for this like OpenAI API key is not needed, right? That paid one.
Yeah, till here. I mean, for this one, it's not needed. I mean, the reason that you are losing on like credit for getting low so fast is because for me, what I do is I've added my own OpenAI key here. So if I go to credentials, yeah, if I go to channels, I think it's the settings. Wait, so if I check for OpenAI somewhere, I have added my credentials for OpenAI, so that's why I could wait. Okay, there's no OpenAI key right now. I could just add it simply here, and then all the LLMs would work based off the OpenAI API key. So they would just save me a lot of tokens here, and I mean that's just a better way to do it. And yeah, so this is how you integrate WAPI with your voice agent, so that whenever you like, you could say to the person that you know what, with the chatbot we'll also keep your voice agent that works in conjunction to the chatbot. So if the person wants to have a chat, it could have a talk conversation, and if it wants to just type out, it could do the typing as well. So it's a multifunctional tool, and you could just sell it for more. So you could upsell this for like $2,000, $3,000 for the setup fee, and then $500 per month as retainer. So that's how it will work. And
Okay,
yeah.
okay. So for school community, like this particular thing, I can post and I can get some projects, right? Chatbot and voice mix up.
Yeah, you could post it as a hire. So you could say it's for hire. For hire, there's a
Okay.
section in school. You could go there. You
Yeah.
could. I'll just give you the copy. So it's a, all you have to do is copy paste what I've written, and you will simply get results. So it's something like double your revenue with chatbots, and then the people just say, you know what, DM me. You just talk with them. You just get on a call. You just tell them that, you know what, I'll do this for you. But I mean, it's gonna charge me I'm gonna need the platform fees, and then you just take the platform fee. You just get the platforms, just you give them the chat, but they'll say, you know what, this is a chatbot, you can use it wherever you want and stuff like that. So that way you could like we could actually go back and forth and like get the person to pay. So even if you say it was for free, you could also like ask them for like a upfront amount, so that in that way they would also pay you at the same time. Because if you do something for completely free, people do not value that. People do not value free stuff, and that's why I
Yeah.
think
So what will be the minimum platform fee you should charge? Uh,
the platform fee again. I mean, you should charge a minimum of $100, a minimum
okay.
for one-time setup fee. This one-time setup fee, or if you could charge more, because like again, you need
No,
to pay
no.
the platform.
But
So
what will be the actual price and what will be the only platform fees, right? So suppose we can say that like we will give you this particular chatbot plus voice with platform fees only. We are not charging much as we are working with you, right? So what is the difference, right? So platform fees is different and complete setup is different, right? So what is the complete setup and what is the platform fees?
So again, the complete setup includes the platform fee plus your service fee. So in your
Okay.
case, you could just ask them that I'm new to the AI space, so you could just pay me $50 more. So I'll just create the agent. The $100 for the platform. So you just and you could say, what, the $100 would be a platform fee for it would be a recurring platform fee every month. So you could just tell them that every month there would be this platform fee and you have to pay that to me. And that way, I mean, like you could just ensure that the person is on a retainer and it's not on a contractual basis, so that if he says I don't like the chatbot, I'm going bye bye. In that case, you could say, what, no, but like we are on a retainer and stuff like that, and that we could just keep the person tied down to you. And that's how it works, because VoiceFlow has a monthly $50 subscription which you need a VoiceFlow subscription. VoiceFlow is $19, if I'm not wrong. The VoiceFlow, this is a Pixie agent, a VoiceFlow, it's the same, so it's $19. And yeah, I mean, that's like it's almost $70, but plus taxes it's going to be $75 easily. And then yeah, I mean, $25 could be a service fee, could be a profit, but $25 is nothing. It's like 2,000 rupees. It's pennies, man, if you just look at the bigger picture. So that way, I mean, you could charge them, but you have to also charge them a service fee.
For first one or two clients, so we'll go for the only platform fees. So we have to practice, right? So then next we can
Hmm.
charge more like $500 or $1,000. So like that we'll go.
Yeah, so you slowly increase the value. So like if you're brand new, you cannot directly say them that, what, I need you pay me $1,000, because you have to, if you ask for that much money, show them the work. You have to show them your past clients.
Yeah,
You have to show
yeah,
them
right.
anyone else
So like
which is
how much? Yeah. So how much you are charging for this particular chatbot with voice functionality, voice chat
I
only?
usually I usually charge them 1,000 US dollars to $800 setup fee, and then it's a 4,000 US dollars monthly retainer, which is $100. In the $100 is just it is it is for the platform fees. The rest $300 it's for profit, but like we have to do monthly maintenance. We have to check if everything's going perfectly fine and stuff like that. If it's not working fine, what is a problem and stuff like that. So we have to do all that as well. And yeah, I mean, I do charge a bit more, but that's just because I mean I have the case studies to back it up. So what I am providing, you are providing, or anyone else is providing, we are all providing the same stuff. But I could say
Okay.
that, what, I've had this many clients, they had a pretty good experience, they had this much ROI, they had this much case studies, and yeah, they made so much profit and stuff like that. That's when you could say that, or when you could tell all of that to the client, he would pay you more, because you just showed him that you are worth the value. Because they're actors. In movie, there are
Yeah.
actors. There's Shah Rukh Khan and there's some other random dude in Mumbai. So when you like, why do you pay Shah Rukh Khan crores, and why do you not like take the other guy? That's because I mean, the Shah Rukh Khan, he has proven himself again and again and again in every film. And for the random guy, he has not even done a single film. He has not even done a TV show. So that's the difference. I'd say even though like I wouldn't consider myself that big, I'm in the middle. I'm somewhere where I've done a bit of work, but I still have to do a lot more. People charge
Yeah,
five thousand
right,
five
right.
thousand dollars per month, $5,000 per month. It's like almost 4 lakh, 5 lakh, I think three and a half lakh for chatbots, like 3 lakh rupees for a chatbot. I'm like, brother, that's too much. But people are actually charging that much. So like,
Yeah.
I'm not at that level, but I'm somewhere in the middle where I could say, what, I'm going to charge you $800 per month. to build this up, and then for to keep this, to like maintain this, I'll charge you $400, $500 per month. That's how I do it. But personally, if you guys are starting out, you could just start for $100, $200, and then once you have like a strong customer base, that these people are referring you, these people are saying Lincoln does the best chatbots in India, then something like that, Lincoln does really good chatbots, then you could start increasing the prices. You could say, you know what, I got a lot of work. If you pay me a bit more, then maybe I'll do your work. So like that. So you could just add $50,
Yeah.
$50, $50, and before you know it,
Okay,
it's gonna
okay.
be $800, $900.
Yeah, so suppose I close the deal for $200, right? So I need to say it is
Mm-hmm.
the platform fees. Only I am charging the platform fees, not any money, right? Additional money. Okay. So this is monthly wise. It will be right.
Again,
200 deal.
again. Look, so if you're new, nobody's gonna sign a 6 month contract with you. That's pretty
Yeah,
tough.
right. Yeah, right.
But if so, in that case, what you could say is, you could say, you know what, it's gonna be a one-time fee of $200, and then like you could just give them the one-time fee, and then you know what, if the trial expires, they could still use it, but then they will come back to you. They'll say, you know what, why the trial expires? They'll say, you know what, you didn't pay me. I did not pay the subscription. That's why the trial expires. So if you want the trial to continue, if you want the chatbot to continue, you pay me. That's how you should
But
talk to them.
but they will tell, right, it is a one-time fees. Then how it could be.
Exactly. We just tell that before taking the money, tell them it's a one-time fee, one-time setup fee. It's working good. Like for me, I have a lot of connections. I have affiliates, so I do not need to buy the service fee. Like I do not even have to buy the platform fees. I got so many subscriptions that I could, like, for 1 or 2 years, all the chatbot that I built, they would be up and running. Like there would be no, I would not need to pay the service fee to these guys because I have like connection with them. So like for your chatbot Lincoln or for anyone else, uh, all the chatbots that I build, they'll be there 24/7. I have my connection in the back that I don't have to pay them service fee at all. But for you or for anyone else, you have to like do a monthly service fee to Voice Glow, and Bapi.
Okay, okay. Okay, so if any client is there, right, like
Mhm.
6 month of contract or 1 month of contract, so we'll together deal with that. Okay.
Being honest. If you're doing $100 deal, if you're doing a $200 deal, you do not need contracts.
Yeah, yeah, right, right.
They'll just give it to you like this. Yeah, send me a PayPal ID. They just give it to you like this. They do not care about do not care much about $100, because signing a contract for $100, they're gonna think, okay, I mean, is this guy crazy? $100, man, it's nothing. It's pennies.
Yeah, right, right, right. Let's see how it could be. So, where is the message things? First, I will start with this chatbot creations.
I will I'll send you the message that you have to put. Just put the exact same message. Do not do any changes. Just put that. Once people start answering, there are two things. Once you put the message in school, you have to comment under the same message every 6 hours, every 8 hours, so the message comes back to the top. So you know how it works in school. If I
Okay.
comment under your message, the message comes to the top again, and it goes down to the bottom slowly. If no one messages on your like don't no one comments on your message, but then it goes up back again because like someone just did a comment. So what you could do is you could comment under your own post every 8 hours, and then that way people could like come there and like give you like ask you for your services, stuff like that. And what I'll do is I myself, I would come to your post, and I'll just type some comments out. So it just builds credibility. To share such is typing, so maybe like he's actually good, and the other people would also join in and stuff like that. And that way we could actually like get you a few clients. It's easy. It's easy.
Okay, okay, fine. Yeah. So right now we'll post that. Just give me.
I will. So let me
Yeah,
just
sure,
check. I
sure.
think I think the cold caller
Because
thing. It's
because today, yeah, because today I have prepared that chatbot, right? So I'm pretty much confident. So I can
Mhm,
create more chatbot in more functionality wise, also in deep level, also product wise, also. Just I need to practice the voice flow. Okay.
mhm,
So once that is done, so I will practice these three tools continuously. Okay.
mhm,
And we'll get the confidence to create the chatbot. And because total 30 people I got for the webinar. It is a
mhm.
good thing. And
Great. It's yeah. It's going great. It's going great.
yeah, Saturday webinar is there, so let's see how it is going first time. Okay,
Mhm. No, it,
okay,
it, it, it will go great. It will go great. So, We'll see about that. But yeah, I mean, if that's the case, sounds perfect then. I mean, you could even ask them there also that I build chatbots. Do you want chatbot for a website? Now in India, they wouldn't pay you that much. They would not pay you 8,000 rupees for a chatbot, but you could just ask them. That's what our job is. Because in the end, we could just show them that this is how much it will cost us to build a chatbot. We're not even asking you for the service fees. So I mean,
Yeah,
yeah, we could try that.
no, but we can like suppose outside client, right? Outside of India, we can say that like platform fees is like $200 for me. Like that, we can go it, right?
Actually, look. We have to try not fool the client because even the client knows that how much is the platform fee. So if we tell them
Okay.
that the platform fee is 200, then they're gonna be like, no, the platform fee is 100. And you're trying to rip me off, something like that. You have to never lie. You could always tell them that okay, $50 plus $19, that's $70. Then we have the VAPI credit, so we would need a VAPI credit of $30. That's gonna be $100. That way, if you explain them, they'll pay you. But if they find that you are lying, they would just be offended. They'll say, you know what, I don't want to do business with you, stuff like that. So there's a very thin line where you have to like ensure that you do not overstep it, you do not lie about anything, and you just like
hundred
be clear.
dollars, yeah, but $100 recurring, right? Every month, I need to say that.
Yeah, yeah, recurring every month as long as they want your service. So you would tell
Yeah,
them
right.
that if you want my service, if they don't want the service, then like yeah, I mean, why would they pay? So it's either you
Yeah,
get
right,
them on a
right.
contract. Yeah, but getting them on a contract, it's kind of tough. So instead of that, you could say them that you know what, I mean, yeah, whatever. I mean, just like do it for a month. If you like it, then you keep it. If you don't like it, no problem. Do not pay me again. Sort of contract, something like that. And you just explain it to them. It's not a contract. It's easy. We are here to help each other. If you don't like it, no problem.
Okay, okay, fine. Yeah. Okay,
Okay,
that's
and
great.
uh-huh. So I'll be sharing this integrations check availability chatbot to you guys. This whole scenario, and you could just as I told you, I just showed you how to do it. You go to tools, you make a new tool. In a tool, you just like add like make it check like name it anything, but
Model
whatever
forms.
you name
Yeah.
here, yeah, whatever
The
you name
same
it
name we
here, you
need to
just
give
have
into the
into the
assistance.
prompt. Yeah,
Yeah, yeah,
yeah.
got it. Yeah,
So
recording is there, right? So we'll check it out this, and yeah.
uh-huh.
So send it
I
to us,
think
and we'll go to it. Yeah.
Yep. I think I have an idea. So I was thinking of doing the cold calling one, but the cold calling one is not working. And if I went, I said, you know what, let me just fix this here on the call. It will take a lot of time. So what I'll do is I'll just tell you about sales and how sales works. So just open WordPad. So let's just say that Lincoln, you want to build a astrology website or like a chatbot for or astrology. Like you just build it, right? You just build the chatbot for one. Let's just say, how do you
Yeah.
sell that to the person? Let's just say that you want to sell this to the Baba, the astrology Baba, the chatbot.
Okay.
So how will you explain it to them? Okay. So the person has aspirations and desires and pain points. So we have wait, let me just type it out. Sales masterclass one. So we have three main factors of why would you
Mm.
buy something. So let me just ask you
You are
something.
in
Why would
different
you buy?
screen?
Wait, yeah. Can you see my screen? Can you see my screen?
Yeah, able to see. Yeah.
I'm on a text page. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so yeah. So why would you buy a bike? Why would you buy a bike? That's because you do not. If you are running on a cycle, you do not want to run on a cycle. If you're walking, it's exhausting. It takes a lot of time. It's boring to walk. But if you have a bike, it would be fast. You could get to places on time. Let's just say the bus. You would just have to wait for the bus, something like that. Okay. So
Mhm.
imagine why would you like to why would you buy a bike? That's because you have pains. You have a pain that you have to walk every day. You cannot reach anywhere on time. You look bad. Your status it looks bad. You know what? Like these guys come on bike. I have to go by bus. I have to go by walking. So your status you just think bad about yourself and think, you know what? I want to elevate my status. I want to like stop wasting time by walking. I want to not get tired. I want to. I mean, yeah, these are your aspirations. So we have aspirations and pain points. So let's just take an example of a bike. Okay, so I'm selling a bike. So I have a product as bike. Product is bike. We have
Mm, paid
aspirations.
screen. I'm not. Notepad screen not getting, only that meeting link I'm getting.
Okay. Got it. Wait, I'll just represent just a second. Entire screen, document, notepad, share. Okay. So I'm not gonna say it. I just shared. Yeah. You can say it now.
Hello.
Yeah, able to see now. Yeah.
Okay. Aspirations.
Hello.
So okay. Lincoln, could you just like mute your mic for a while?
Hello.
Yeah, okay. So, yeah, back to why would we want a bike? So we want a bike because we are tired of walking. We are tired of getting anywhere late. We're tired of looking bad. We have a bad status. So we have pain points and we have aspirations. So pain point is walking, tired. Wait, I just name it. So it would be one. Walking takes time, makes you tired. Walking takes time, makes you tired. You reach everywhere late, etc. Number two, status. You look low status, something like that. I mean, you look poor. It's not like it's not the case, but like you just imagine if you don't have a bike or something like that. If everyone around you has a bike and you are the only one who don't have a bike, you're gonna think, okay, I mean, okay, that looks kind of weird. I mean, you're not gonna feel that in yourself. So you're gonna like you look low class or low status. So that's a pain point. You feel like, you know what, these guys have a bike, I do not have a bike. Oh my god, it's so bad. And we have the third one. So we have the pain points. Walking takes time, makes you tired. You reach everywhere late. Status, you look good. You look low class, something like that. And third one would be that maybe yeah, I think it would be time. So the bus traveling by bus is is not good. It is always crowded. Bus mein hamesha, like, you know, there's always people trying to push you, stuff like that. You cannot find a seat. It's not good. Crowded buses. Crowded buses feels feels cramped. So if you put everyone inside a whole bus, the bus is all crammed. You cannot stand, stuff like that. You have to always hold on. You could fall somewhere, something like that. These are all the pain points here. So this is the pain point of buying a bike. Let's just say I'm selling a bike, and this is the pain points of buying. Why would someone want a bike? Because he does not want to walk, or it takes a lot of time, stuff like that, and stuff. Okay, so this is the pain point the person has. Now he has aspirations, which is opposite of the pain point. So reaching everywhere on time, 100% punctuality. I think the spelling is correct. You 100% punctuality, high status, do not need to travel by bus, save time, more energy, feels happy. Something like that. Okay, so this is the aspiration and we have pain points. Whenever we're selling something, there are only two things that drives a person. There's the aspiration of what I could achieve or what I have, and the pain point, what is paining me right now, what's the problem right now. These are two things that we have to sell anything. So if we're selling a bike, this is what we have to look. We have aspirations and we have pain points. Now the bike, our product, it solves, so it increases the aspirations, so aspiration goes up. So just type it here. A bike increases aspirations, decreases pain points. Pain decreases pain. Okay, so then you do not have to walk. You may have to walk, but you do not have to walk as much. So a bike increases aspiration, decreases pain. So that's why a bike is worth What's okay? Let's just say average bike is worth 1 lakh. That is why an average bike is worth 1.2 lakhs. Yeah, because it's inflation, man. I mean, it's everything's getting expensive. So 1.2 lakhs. So this is a pain point of a bike, and this is why a bike is worth 1.2 lakhs. Is because it gives you status. There's another thing that there are not enough bikes, so there are more cycles in the world than there are bikes. So that's why cycles are cheaper because it's more in abundance. It's called inflation. So cycles do not have a value as of a bike. But in the times where there were no bikes, if you had a cycle, it was worth a bike. So again, it's a I think I'm repeating myself, but yeah, that's why a bike is worth 1.2 lakhs. That's because it reduces this pain points. It eliminates the pain points. So you do not look low class. You do not look low status. You do not travel by bus, which is giving you problems, and you are not walking, and you are saving time. So it's
Yeah,
eliminating all
got
the
it.
pain
Yeah.
points. Yeah. So it
Yeah.
eliminates
As a sales, always we need to hit to the pain point to get it out most
exactly.
out of that. Yeah.
So So now I'll just explain to you how to use this for a chatbot. I'll just stop it here. You have to use the same in a sales pitch, or even if you're making a sales pitch, a DM, something like that, you could just tell them that. Okay, so I'll just explain to you right now. So now product is chatbot. Okay, my product is chatbot. Now, what could be the problems? Let's just say if I want to sell this to not an astrology person, because then it's a pretty niche market. I want to sell this to an e-commerce brand. Okay, e-commerce brand. So, what could be the pain points? I mean, AI does not even solve like actual pain points, but what could be the aspirations? The aspirations could be could be able to sell via WhatsApp, Insta, and Facebook. So let's just say that you have if these guys have 150,000 following on Instagram, wouldn't that be good if they could just sell directly from the DMs? So like someone comes in the DMs and say, you know what, hi, like it just posts them hi, and then the chatbot goes there and shows them all the products, takes payment, gives them order numbers, stuff like that. It's all done inside a chatbot. So that's so much conversions because then if I tell the person there are two options. I could tell the person to buy from the chatbot itself, or I could say, you know what, go to my website. So the person might forget, okay, I'll go to the website tomorrow, and he will never go to the website. But if I just tell him throughout the chatbot inside the chat box, he's gonna be more likely to buy. So the aspiration could be able to sell via WhatsApp, Instagram, and Facebook. That could be a great aspiration. Another could be to increase conversions. So people do not know what they want to buy. Like for example, if I go to Amazon, I could just keep scrolling, keep scrolling, keep scrolling, but I will not buy anything. Why? Because I do not know what I want to buy. So to increase conversions, the chatbot could give personalized recommendation to the person. So let's just say I want to buy. Let's just say it's a skincare brand, okay, and I have acne. So what do I need? I need a face wash, right? So I just type, you know what, AI, I have acne. Give me products related to acne. So AI is going to fetch all the products related to acne, which is mostly face wash, and then it's going to tell me that, you know what, this face wash, it could just remove the acne, and you could I mean, yeah, it just costs like 200 rupees. Would you like to buy it? So person would be like, yes, I mean that's what I needed, and then he's going to buy it eventually. So that's one of the few. That's two aspirations. One of them is selling via social media. Another would be to give product recommendations and increase conversions. So it would be increase conversions and give product recommendations. I think I skewed the spellings. Okay, I'll just say uh, give product rec. Give product rec. So it gives product recommendations. So now this is what we have. Aspiration could be, now look here, we are going to use some real brain power. So if this does not happen in like if you think this, you could do this in 10 minutes, that's not possible, because you have to think like a brand agency owner. You have to think like the e-commerce store, what they're missing out on. So you could say, you could get their leads, maybe you could get their phone number, maybe you could get their email. via the chatbot. Because maybe if they're interested, they'll just drop their email and then you could follow them up. Because if the person came to a website, he wanted to buy something, but he did not buy it. So what if I could get his email, get his phone number, so that I could send him personalized emails. Like sometimes you get these random offers, geo offers, Zomato, Swiggy. So this is because you went to Swiggy once, you bought something, but you're not buying anything. So these guys are sending you email marketing, email stuff like, "Hey Shreyas, I have not seen you for a while. Here's 10% discount." So that way we could these companies, they could get leads from people that visit the website. So what we could do is we could say to generate leads. So this is like the three aspirations that an ecom brand might have. So ecom brand might have these aspirations. Now for the pain points, there are not any particular pain point that our AI solves, but yeah, there is one pain point that our AI could solve, which is, it could be aspiration as well. Automate customer support and order status and return return exchange requests. So these are the four aspirations that we could work on and build the chatbot off. So now this is what we have. Now I do not actually know the pain points, but the pain points would be similar to the aspirations. So not being able to, wait, I'll just see. Just copy this. This is how pain points would look. Pain points would be, if I paste it all here, not, and just add a not, not, and not. So we have everything that we need. Now I'll tell you how to craft a pitch. So whenever you are in a meeting, so what we'll say is, you guys are losing on so much money by not selling via Instagram, Facebook, and WhatsApp. You guys are losing so much money by not increasing your lead conversions by giving product recommendation via AI. You're losing so much money if you're not generating leads via this chatbot, and you're losing so much money if you have not automated customer support, order status, and return and exchange request. And then you could say, imagine if there's an AI chatbot that could sell your product via WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook. Imagine a AI that could increase conversions, give product recommendation. Imagine an AI that could generate leads, automate customer support, order status, and return exchange request. And then in the end, you'll say, you know what? I'll make something like this for you, and this thing would save you. Let's just say, give them a random number. It could save you um, $10,000. Like if we just tell them there's a savings, it could save you almost $10,000. If it's a big brand, okay, $10,000 per month. So now this depends. So if I were to target a medium-sized e-commerce brand in UK or USA, this is something that they could actually save. They could fire away their whole automation, they could fire away their whole customer support team. They'll save a lot of money there. They will save a lot of money here as well. They generate a lot of money, new leads, new conversions, and deployment on these platforms. So it's $10,000 per month. Let's just say if they save this much savings, you just price your product as 10% of the savings. So you could say, you know what, my services are worth $1,000 per month. Service charged. So now I think you could easily convert the person and tell them that, you know what, my services are worth 80,000 per month because you are saving 10,000 rupees per month. So imagine this, we could do the same with the bike example, okay? If you're saving more time, if you're reaching everywhere on time, let's just say you have a business meeting which is worth lakhs, which is worth like a 10 lakh, okay? And you reach there on time because you did not took the bus, but you had a bike. Imagine the savings that it will do to you. So you just you just get a 10 lakh rupee deal with a 1 lakh rupee bike. That makes sense, right? So that's how sales is. You have to show them that what you're providing is it's just nothing. It's just nothing in front of the savings that they will get. Okay, so this is like sales in a nutshell. And I mean, thought of doing it for an astrology guy, But anyways, this is what we could do. You could add your own stories. That there was this ecom brand that added this added a, a customer support chatbots to his website, and they were making so much money, something like that. And then you could say, you know what, I could do the same for you. So yeah, this was my sales masterclass, and like this is how we
Yeah,
are gonna
same
work it.
way. Yeah, same way. Also, I'm doing for my like previous one,
Hmm.
right? That crypto project is there, right? Same. Just
Yep,
I'm
yep.
hitting to the pain point. If you are like there, is somebody told, right? Everyone is telling, we'll join
Hmm.
after 2 months. Because in 2 months you will lose too much money, right? Join now because
Exactly,
it will
because
take you.
Bitcoin, you could just say Bitcoin went from 60,000 to 1 lakh, like 1 million.
Yeah,
Are you
no,
guys crazy? Like
I
imagine next
told,
month.
yeah, I told only one thing, right? Suppose you join now, it will take like 15 days to 30 days to get into the familiar with the chart, all of the whatever the sir is telling, you need to understand thing, right?
Mm.
After 2 months you will join, that will be hurry part, right? So you will be confusing and it will take more time, right? If you are telling 2 months, it will go
You
3 months.
lose you lose 2 months of money. Imagine that you will lose so much money
Yeah,
in 2 months. You have to join right now. You cannot waste a single second. You
yeah,
have wasted all
because
your life.
competition
Now
is,
it's your time. You have competition. You
yeah,
could just say anything that takes to get them on a call. I mean, man, I just nail at sales. I'm just too good at sales. I just know how to get these guys. So
yeah, yeah,
yeah,
definitely,
this
yeah.
is what we have. This is what we have
Okay,
for
not an
now.
issue.
And
Yeah, sales part I can handle easily, not an issue. Okay,
mhm, mhm.
because we'll tell everything. But I will, because for chatbot I get the confidence to build it up, right? So that is not an
Mhm.
issue. We can charge
Now
$100 for
look.
the services.
Exactly. If they're saving $1,000, you could say, you know what, I'm asking only for $100. Man, you're saving $2,000. Come on, at that much you can pay, right? Because like if I'm saving like 10 crore, I could pay that guy 1 CR just because I just saved 10 CR because of that guy. So that's the same. You know how chartered accountants work, how all these architects work. So chartered accountants, they save you lakh. They just save you so many lakhs, and then they say, you know what, I need 1 lakh. So of course, man, you could just le lo bhai, take it.
Yeah, right, right. Yeah, yeah. So they will think like, yeah, it's 10%, yeah. So it is worth, yeah, we can give them. Like that, they will think
100.
about it.
Yeah,
Yeah,
look. I say if 10% is too much, you can even say $500 per month. It's not much, man. I mean, it's still for India. If you are not doing anything, you're just made the bot. Now it's just sitting on the website. You're just asking $500. Like the $500 is just passive income, because then it's just sitting there. You just like look at it once or twice a month. Just check, okay, is this working fine? Is this working fine? Okay, great. So hello, sir, this is working fine. I did my maintenance. Bye bye, and you just send me the $500. So it's like passive income. You're not even doing
yeah,
anything. So
fine.
it's great.
Okay, okay. So a lot of opportunities there outside of India, like chatbot
A
things.
lot, a lot,
Like
a lot,
people
a
are
lot,
crazy
man.
about that nowadays, right?
Hmm. And like if you use this framework, which I know you are doing, Lincoln, but for Manoj and
Yeah,
all, and Manoj and Yash, if you guys use this, you're gonna nail it at any sales. Like I don't know, if you're selling like ice, if you're selling cars, if you're selling whatever, like bikes, something like that, you tell them that, you know what, you guys have a big problem, you solve it now, because you will lose so much money. Imagine you cannot
yeah,
get to
so
the
much
sales
money.
meeting.
Yeah, automated support is there, lead generation is there, selling is there. Too much thing in one bot. You can imagine the things like how much you are money you are losing like every day and every month, right? So it can save like 10,000 to 20,000 per month also. Yeah, yeah, that
and
is
and you could
one risk.
also use the competitor name. You could also use the you could say, you know what, Flipkart, Amazon, they've already got an automated chatbot. I mean, just imagine these big companies, they're just doing so fast. You guys need an automated chatbot if you want to survive and stuff like that. So you could just scare them. You could just
Yeah,
fear
scare
monger
and
them.
pain point. Like pain point is scare, and then aspiration. Again, we need to mix up combination of all those things, three things, to get it
Yeah,
out
so
most
there would
of
be a
the.
structure for you. It would be different for me. It would be different for me. I
Yeah,
just go in with the pain points. I just tell them, you have this, that. I could do this, that. And then you pay me this much. So that's how I close it. So this is how this is all sales that we have here. I'll tell you how to write copy. I'll tell you guys tomorrow how to make email copies. So you know what, Lincoln and anyone else who didn't join, you guys have a task. You guys have to, for you, Lincoln, you do the same for Astrology Baba. And Astrology Baba, you could do, I'd say you could do three. You could do one for your webinar, one for the astrology, and one for crypto. You just do the just like the ones I made right now. You just make a document and send it over to me. and for like all them both, I'll just tell them to like do for e-commerce, do for customer support, and do for voice agent. So like you have to do this. You have to learn sales. That's how you learn sales, because it's
Yeah,
not
right.
like I mean, if I were to like, if I could give you a knowledge like this, I could do, but it's not possible. You have to learn it yourself. You have to like type it out. You have to write it in a notebook, and that's how you learn, man. So yeah, this
Yeah,
was
yeah, fine. Yeah, so give me that school one thing, so I will post it right now.
okay.
Okay.
No problem, no problem. Yep. Okay. So
Okay.
sounds good.
So I
So
need
yeah,
to
good night.
no need to change anything, right? Just I need to post in the
Yeah,
community and
it's
just select
copy
the hire
paste.
and hiring. Yeah, hire and hiring sections, right?
Mm-mm. So you know what? Just add a joining request right now, because Liam community, it takes like a day to let you in. So Liam's triple A agency, you just join that and just do a like joining post or joining request right now.
Okay, okay.
Oh, okay. So yeah, let's see. It was a great chat, Lincoln, and to the others, I'll just share the recordings. And I think, I mean, if you guys master this, if any of you master this one, you'll just nail it. You could just sell anything. Like selling, it's a life skill, man. It's a life skill.
Yeah, right, right. Anywhere it will work in any product, right?
Anywhere.
Yeah. So
Bargaining,
just give me
even.
yeah. Okay, okay, fine. Yeah, yeah. It's like 43. Okay. So
Okay,
yeah,
so
just send me that school one thing. Okay. Okay, fine. That's
okay, I will.
okay.
Okay, so good
Okay,
night,
okay.
everyone, and
Okay, thank you. Bye bye.
yep.
Good night, everyone.
Good night, Lincoln. Yes. Bye bye.